Morning everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Jan Kielstra. Today is pretty exciting because we're going to be punching in those new ear tags in the cows from the DeLaval BA300 system. So that's the new cow monitoring system that we've been installing. The antennas are installed, the computer is updated, everything should be ready to go. The last thing we need to do is actually put those ear tags in the cow's ears, and that's what we're doing this morning. Feed was just dumped in the barn, and we're gonna get a couple cows AI'd, and then we'll start putting those ear tags in. So we're in the process of tagging. We just tagged the entire west side, which is 117 cows. You can see their new blue tags. They're kind of sitting there beside their ID tags. And this whole side is done. And then of course, as we're clipping those new tags in their ears, we're taking the collars off. Those are the collars from just this side, so there'll be twice as many as this, quite a few. And they're over here putting tags in right now. So this is Jenna from DeLaval, and she's helping us put the tags in this morning.
We are bedazzling the gals today.
That's right.
Jewelry.
In with the new, out with the old.
You betcha. Louis Vuitton.
So you're just scanning their ear tags?
Their RFID tag, and we're going to assign them a tag here.
Yeah, so this is a special wand that comes with the system, and it scans their Holstein Canada button, and then it pulls up their profile here on the DeLaval companion app.
You bet.
So that pulled up that cow, 1262.
Those are everything we need to know about her.
That's a bunch of just information from Delpro.
We have her milking information, breeding information.
You give her a tag, and then this wand also activates the tag right away. And then she hands it off to Dad, who gives her the new ear tag. Hey.
I did it backwards. You didn't video that, did you?
Come on! So we've done the whole west side of the barn now, and there's still a few cows that are not locked up in the back there because we don't have enough head lockers for how many cows are in this group. So we're just gonna let them go, and then hopefully the cows that have not yet grabbed breakfast will do so after we let these girls go and lock them up again. They all back out with their new ear tags. So right away, these two girls still need those ear tags. This lady here, Pandora. Sweet. So this is the box of collars that we've taken off. There's probably like 300 collars in there, and that box is full. That is crazy. I never would have guessed like it would have added up to that amount of volume, but yeah, we can let these ladies go now, and we can watch on the computer in the Delpro system how they're gonna work out. So we finished tagging all the cows. We even brought the 2 straw packs to our chute handling system outside and punched all those ear tags in those cows. So our special needs pack and our close-up cows. So I think today in total we put in 350 ear tags, which is crazy. I've got a gnarly blister on my hand from it. It is what it is, and I just want to show you guys some something pretty cool with the system. Obviously, I'll make a full video on how we use it exactly, but the cow location's already working, so I'll just sign into it on my phone here, and I'll start screen recording on my phone so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing on there. So that small section of beds right there, it's right there on the map, and that's cow 67 right there. You can see she's sticking her head through the lockers there on the map. And yeah, that is pretty cool. So every cow in the barn pretty much now, we can go onto this map and find out exactly where they are. And it's accurate to the bed. So it is really cool. So location data is working right now, and the rumination data and activity data with these new ear tags, it's gonna take about a week or so to kind of get the benchmark of each cow that we put them in today. And then, you know, from that point on, we'll be able to use that data to make decisions like, yeah, for rumination is dropping, she's probably gonna get sick. And then obviously activity is for heat data as well. Rumination helps you pick when a cow is in heat as well. It tells you when to AI her. Her rumination usually drops when she's in strong heat. So we're just kicking cows off the straw pack to put some bedding in. You see there's a fresh little calf here, and it's red and white. And that's Mama, she's fully black and white. Yeah, that's her. Hopefully it's a heifer calf. Let's see. Oh, it's a bull. No, that's okay, buddy. Don't feel bad. You got her a new red and white bull calf. I'll bully, yeah. Once we're done putting bedding in, also I'm gonna grab that cow that we wrapped now 2 days ago and re-wrap her again. She's already walking a million times better, so one more treatment and she'll probably be good to go. So, what's your conclusion?
There's another one coming.
Calf was small, and the cow laid down right away after it calved.
Oh yeah. $100. There's another one coming.
I'm not gonna make that bet.
Pretty sure.
I agree with you.
That's how it usually goes.
So we're gonna go feel inside and see if there's another calf, a bonus calf. Hopefully it's just a bull. There's probably a twin in there. Well, I'm glad I didn't make that bet. That would have been a losing bet. This is the second one. A little bugger. Literally 2 minutes old. We got some calves in our old calf barn here. We're just bedding them up with some small squares. Unfortunately, we can't drive in here with the wheel loader and shake out a big round bale. It's got to be the small squares. So toss a few in the pen, shake them out. It is exactly a day later from when I left off filming this video, so we're gonna wrap this cow now. We just got busy last night, didn't have time to do it anymore, so I want to show you this cow now. She's walking a lot better than when we first wrapped her, as you guys can see. Hey, come on, lady. Almost no hesitation to put weight on that foot. So you guys saw how rank it was in that previous video, but yeah, she is obviously not feeling so bad anymore. We'll take that wrap off and then put a little bit more treatment on, just so it's properly cured. I think she'll be good to go after that. I'm just waiting for Dad right now. Well, there he is, because I'm clearly not getting this girl out by myself. Day and night difference. So we're just gonna cut the old wrap off. We got a special stick for that. It's got a safety blade.
Except the cutting doesn't go as quick.
Yeah, she's a little dull, I guess. So we'll rinse it off again and rewrap it. So this is the hoof after we cleaned it off. You can see the sore is a lot smaller. It's gotten a lot better. And it's gonna only get better with the next wrap. And that's our new wrap. We'll take that off again in 3 days, and then she should be good to go. I will put up the footage from when she walked out of here last time. Pretty big difference. Well, it's been a long day here. We milked this morning, and then we did herd health. The vet came out, and we preg checked all the cows in the barn, which was pretty cool. Today with the cow location, we could locate a cow that was running loose in the group, and that worked sweet with that BA system. And then we unloaded some DDGs, and then our nutritionist came out, so we walked around the farm, and he just walks around the farm with us every 3 months, and we just touch base. The nutritionist is basically a professional that knows a lot more than we do as just farmers. It's from Dairy Smart Nutrition, and yeah, they walked around the farm with us today and just went over a few things. How are the calves doing? How are the cows doing? And it's good a lot of the time to have someone on the farm that can get a different angle, maybe to just look things over. Maybe they'll see something that you're not seeing. And that goes with, you know, a nutritionist, your vet, or someone from De Laval maybe. Whoever it is, more eyes the better is typically the idea. So we did that yet today as well. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. Check out the Instagram @SaskDutchKid. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.